Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today, wanted to walk you through a new pontoon we just got in stock. This is the Harris 250 Cruiser. So a lot of our cruisers, we like to order some similar stuff, but we like to change the colors up a little bit. So first I'll show you here, we got the black, and then we have the accent color here. This is the silver, platinum silver they call it. So really pretty in the sun, really pops out at you. This does have nice docking lights as well. That's an option you can put on here. This is a tri-tune, so we do have the 3 tubes. 25 feet, so pretty long. You can see it has the nice bimini. It's a 12-foot bimini, a lot of coverage. As we come to the back, you can see you have the nice ski tow bar. We've got some room back in here, so if you're hanging out and you're swimming, you've got some space to jump in. We do have the nice Pro Mariner onboard charger, so you can just plug right in here, get everything nice and charged. Mentioned the Mercury. This is the Mercury 4-stroke. This is 200 horsepower. This also has what they call the DTS, or digital throttle. I'll show you that on the inside, but 200 horsepower on this particular pontoon is going to be more than you need. Be able to do all sorts of tubing, skiing, whatever you want. So let's go to the interior and take a look at the layout. All right, welcome to the interior of the boat. This is the SL layout, or single lounger layout. You've got a nice area back in here to hang out. We can move this backrest forward and back. You can move it this way, and if you want to sit that way and watch the water go by, you can. You've got storage underneath here, nice deep storage, and underneath that other seat is a cooler. So just an insulated cooler, put some ice in there, you're good to go. You do have some storage underneath here as well. There's actually one more spot. You can actually lift this and bring it all the way down, so it can be kind of a bed situation. Otherwise, you can bring it up and face forward. So as we come to the interior, like I said, it's SL, so you've got seating around this area here. There's storage underneath that seat. You got cup holders over here. You've got your garbage can underneath here. We ordered this with a little bit taller, the high back seat with 2 armrests that fold down. As you can see, it does spin, so you can spin it all the way around if you want to have a conversation. And it does move forward and back. Like I mentioned before, this is the 200, and it comes with the DTS, so digital throttle. Super easy to maneuver this boat. They redid the helm for the Cruiser for 2021. We did add the optional Lowrance hook, so that gives you a bunch of information in there, along with some fishing and depth and everything you need. We've got the wireless charger that's sitting right here, along with a 12-volt and a couple USBs. This is the standard Fusion stereo. So you have the head unit that's right here. It is Bluetooth, or you can plug in through USBs, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers. 25-foot boat, so you get plenty of storage all the way up and down. You get plenty of room to bring all your friends. There's storage under each one of these. They're all on hinges, so you don't have to take any of the cushions off and set them somewhere else. Very comfortable. Again, cup holders up here, and there's also USBs right there as well. Another thing they did in the 25 is they made this wider, and this is actually wide enough to fit a wheelchair. So if you have anybody that wants to come on your pontoon that one can fit, this is wide enough to fit that now. So again, the 25-foot Cruiser is available here in Rogers, 200 horsepower, 12-foot bimini, plenty of space for you and your friends. Give us a call to set up an appointment, or just stop on by. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.